On the real, I need a want to be part of the video? Oh yeah, say what's up, say what's up.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's been so long since I've seen you guys. I'm so sorry I've been working, but today they let me off early, so I get a little bit of sunlight and we're gonna take advantage of that. Plus tomorrow's Thanksgiving, I have the day off and we're gonna go film with a friend. You guys know the Genesis. Hopefully that's the goal. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys today why I'm pretty much not gonna mod my G35. No, that's kind of like clickbait. No. I'm gonna tell you guys today why. Okay guys, on a real note, today I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm pretty much modding. I'm done modding the car for now though, and I'll explain to you guys just a second. Only thing is that time is clicking right now. I'm gonna go meet up with a friend right now so we can take some fire pics. We always need pics for Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram at BeDistinct_, you already know. Man, the love on TikTok and Instagram recently has been on fire, bro. So thank you guys so much. And you guys on YouTube, you guys already know. You guys have been showing me love since the very beginning. So thank you. And for you new users, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to join the family, bro. Let's go catch my friend. Before I get off my driveway, I always have to boost the freaking PSI to 100 so I can freaking get out. And then once I get out, I gotta lower, you know? Stand status. Now I try to keep it under 70 just because, you know, I drive freeway and I don't want anything getting under, bro, like trapping anything. Like now that I have bags, I should take advantage of it right now, not scraping, bro. If I was scraping with bags, bro, might as well switch them off and put coils. But anyways, let's go catch my friend. Hurry up. You guys want to hear how it sounds, baby? That orgasm. Hopefully you guys can hear it on camera. Last time I revved it and nobody heard it. They're like, bro, you talk louder than the car. Like, so hopefully you guys can hear it this time. Oh my god, the daylight is shrinking. Oh my god, it's going down fast, bro. I'm getting darker by the second. He says he takes like around 3:30. I'm coming home. Boy, it's like,
I was just playing. I was coming home.
Boy, you sent me a picture of you on the freeway.
Yeah, I was barely getting on.
Boy, it's already like 8 o'clock and he's barely done washing his car. Alright guys, last time, there you go, I had to take the little filter on top. Last time you guys told me you guys want to see my tail lights. Like, what does it do when I hit the brakes? Like, obviously it's gonna shine bright. They're not just running lights, they're like actual brake lights. Like they're gonna act as turning signals. Once I get this module, I ordered it. It should come November 30th. When's that? Like Friday? So it should come then, but till then they're not turning lights. They're brake lights though. When I hit the brakes, they turn on brighter. If you guys don't believe me, let me show you.
Alright, Shaw.
Thank you, Juan. You see what you guys made me do? I almost got my camera crushed by a car. Pulled in, like literally, like what are the chances? He pulled in. I was like, no, but my boy over here, my boy Juan, waxing his car, he's paying attention to everything, all surroundings, so he was able to save my camera. Props to him. But anyways, they work. You guys saw it? It worked. So.
On the real, I need a
Oh, that light is golden. Stay there, car, stay there. This light is sick. He's giving me the light right now, car right now, check it out. Pretty sick car. We came here to the parking lot where we had that parking lot meet. It's now empty, of course, and perfect for pictures. Look at this. We got a red Z. I was gonna say red tomato. We got the G over there, and then we got... Who invited this guy? Oh, hell no. Back up. Yup, back up. Hey, chill, what the fuck? This fool almost hit my ass. Okay, chill there, like that. Hey, wanna be part of the video? Oh, yeah, say what's up, say what's up.
Wait, my dog wants me in perfect.
Oh, your dog too? Oh, yeah, let's get the dog. Oh, what's up?
Hey, hi. I'm on TikTok, follow me.
Oh, there you go. That leaves one question though. What is her TikTok? She left. You know her TikTok?
Yeah, she's famous.
Oh no, she's saying what's her name?
That's Allison, bro.
That's a good. Oh, that's right in the middle. That's good. Yeah, hey, you can't be saying that. Demonetized. This is right here. This is the new. This is not Han. This is Juan.
Nigga.
All right. Juan from Tokyo, Mexico Drift. All right. Check this out. Oh shit! Just. You need your head gaskets. Okay. Nice.
Alright guys, now that they're gone, hopefully I don't get kicked the out. Who knows? But if we do, we got video footage, so I ain't even tripping. Anyways, let's talk about the car, guys. Let's talk about this G. Why am I done modding this car? I'm gonna cut it right to the chase. I like the way the car looks. Exterior, I like the way the car looks, period.
Anyways, guys, I like the way the car looks. Like at this point, get to the point where I'm probably adding too much stuff to the car. The bumper looks nice, the color is amazing, the hood is done. The only thing I need is the wheel.
I know I didn't make a video on this, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I just ordered a new set of wheels. The only reason I didn't mention it on YouTube because I don't want to make a video just saying about wheels, but where are the wheels? The wheels will come in February, February because they're being built, guys. They're being built, so they're gonna come till February. And so there's no point of me just saying about wheels because like they're not here yet, right? So they're gonna be on this way, and then once we got those wheels, like the car's gonna look nice, right? The car's gonna look like, and by nice is very opinionated, right? It could be a crappy car to somebody, but in my opinion, it's done, right? It's done. Like there's nothing more to do to it.
But that being said, doesn't mean we're gonna get a different project car. Like yes, we are in the future, but for right now, literally the last thing we need is the wheels, which we already ordered. They're on its way, and we do need a turbo or like a supercharger or something, which I don't not see, bro. I do not see a turbo yet, so that means we still need to get a turbo, cherry on top, and I'm gonna respray that front grille. Oh my god, look at that. That's just looking ashy. That's looking like me.
I'm telling you right now, most likely I'm probably gonna go with the Vortec supercharger. It's just what I've decided to do, and honestly, another thing I want to let you guys know is I'm trying my best. I'm writing the best script, most beautiful handwriting, everything handcrafted, pen bought by a pigeon, everything to write a nice formal sponsorship letter to Vortec. Hopefully I can get a sponsorship or a partial sponsorship from them and make it easier for me to obtain a supercharger from Vortec to add to the G35, man. That would be sick. Also, another thing I do need to get is ARC pipes. I need ARC pipes because what the hell? Why would I add a supercharger and have the stock cats, bro? That's crazy. I need to get the ARC pipes because I just need some.
So with that being said, that's all I need, guys. So at this point, I'm probably just gonna take the car to meets, show it off a little bit the way it is. We're gonna be having a meet this Christmas, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna be having a Christmas meet. I'll give you guys all the details here. It's gonna be here locally in Sacramento. But yeah, that's all I need. The wheels, which are already on their way. Well, they're not on their way, they're being built. And literally a supercharger, which we will have to save up for. I can cash it out on it, but it's gonna be a huge chunk of it, and I like to have money, you know. It gives me freedom, peace of mind to just have money. So I gotta play it financially cool, you know. I can't just cash it all out on this car, so I'm trying to play it cool. Give me some time.
But like I said, in the meanwhile, we're just gonna go to car meets, have some fun with the car, do some crazy shit with it, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, we're gonna be adding a supercharger, completing this car, and then finally we can move on to a different build. And then far in the future, if for some reason, you know, I become, I don't know, somebody on YouTube, we can maybe turbo the OG G35, literally turbo it or go something above and beyond. But for now, supercharger will be more than enough, and going on to another build would be pretty sick on the channel.
That being said, let's hop on the G. Let's go home. It's my birthday's dad. You see how I'm dyslexic as hell? It's my dad's birthday. We need to go meet him right now.
Also, huge thank you to everybody who said happy birthday to my dad on Instagram. You guys freaking killed it. It's amazing. He appreciates all the love. So thank you to all of you guys who said that, man. The guy's a legend, bro. Wrapped my car 3 times. Helped me so much in all my projects. The guy's a legend. The guy's a legend, man. So if you guys want to wish him a happy birthday, go down in the comment section below, wish him a happy birthday. But let's go back home because we do have a dinner to go to. All right, let's go back home. All right, guys, without further ado, the video is over. I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram of 2 complete car wash kits. If you want to be entered, make sure to go down in the description below, or just go to my Instagram, BeDistinct_, and you guys can see all that info there. I'll catch you guys next video. Stay safe. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. See you guys next video. Peace.